All right. There it is. Amazing. Runs like a champ. The smoke might be a little low on smoke. I've been smoking it a lot. The headlight is dim, and it's the lens, as you know, they don't line up, and the inside was foggy. But when I fired up and I looked down inside, it's really bright. So I'm going to have to maybe take it back apart and polish that part of the lens if I can. But boy, is it a runner. It is just doing fantastic. Couldn't be happier. Little Atlantic. Smoke box, smoke, polished up the wheels, polished up the linkage. I cleaned everything like Tim Coe suggested, and I think it looks just great. Runs great. Gonna do another one, gonna do another firebox. This time I'm going to do it step by step and try to take photos and create some kind of an instruction list so you can see how that works, and recognize that we're still testing and screwing around, but boy does it work. Looks nice, I think. A little room for improvement here and there, but you can reach in and shut the smoke off if you want. And the button's right there. Linkage shines up nice. That's that blue magic, guys. I'm telling you, blue magic. It works. I should do these guys. They'll buff up too. Look like chrome. Okay, that's it for the day. Gotta get ready to work out. Ugh. Bye.